In a groundbreaking case in Melbourne's County Court, Mohamed Ahmed Omer is facing charges under the Commonwealth offence of exit trafficking, marking a first in Victoria. Omer is accused of deceitfully removing his wife from Australia by cancelling her visa sponsorship without her knowledge. The couple, who entered into an arranged marriage in Sudan in 2010, moved to Australia in 2012 after Omer sponsored his wife's partner visa. They had 2 children in the following years. According to Crown Prosecutor John Saunders, Omer exhibited controlling, aggressive, and violent behavior towards his wife over the course of their marriage, including physical assaults and threats. Allegedly, Omer manipulated his wife's inability to communicate with the outside world, controlled the family's finances, and used threats of violence, deportation, and separation from her children to keep her in line. This culminated in a supposed family holiday to Sudan in September 2014, during which Omer allegedly led his wife to believe they would all return to Australia together. However, while the wife was away cooking at her parents' house, Omer vanished with their children and her travel documents, leaving her stranded in Sudan. Prosecution claims suggest that prior to their trip, Omer had already informed the Australian Department of Immigration of their supposed separation, withdrawing his sponsorship for her visa in June 2014, effectively stranding her when she tried to return. Despite her efforts to regain entry into Australia from October 2014 through January 2016, her applications were denied due to the lack of sponsorship, an element compounded by the Immigration Department's unawareness of her having 2 Australian-born children. It wasn't until February 2016 that she was finally granted a visa to return to Australia. In defense, Brett Stevens, representing Omer, contested the allegations, particularly disputing the intentions and circumstances described by the prosecution, stating that Omer absolutely denies any intention to use deception. This case has thrown a spotlight on the complexities surrounding immigration, visa sponsorship, and the potential for misuse in controlling and manipulative relationships. As the trial continues, details emerge of a story that touches on issues of family, trust, and the legal systems in place to protect individuals from exploitation. For more information on this unfolding case and its implications for immigration law and personal rights, please visit visaverge.com.